Hello everyone, so today I am going to teach you guys how you can make this beautiful pouch. You can add your phone and your lipstick or any small accessory you want to carry outside with you. And I used DK yarn in this tail color, and with this I use this corresponding hook of 4 mm. And without further ado, let me show you how I made this gorgeous pouch. Okay, so first of all I am going to teach you how you can make your slip knot. Today I am going to show you a new method which is just twist your yarn like this, make a twist, insert your hook from back side, grab the yarn and pull it through and pull this strand, and you get yourself a nice slip knot. After that I am going to chain 21. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 20, and this one is 21. After making 21 chains, I am going to make one more chain as a build up for my single crochet, and now I am going to insert my hook into this first loop and make a single crochet. So grab the yarn, now you have two loops on the hook, and grab the yarn and pull it through both these loops to make a single crochet. Okay, now I am going to make single crochet in each of these stitches like this. Insert your hook into this, grab the yarn and pull it through, and pull the yarn through both these two loops. Okay, so now make one single crochet in each of these stitches. So here I have made one single crochet in each of these strands, and in the last chain I am going to make one more single crochet like this, just to give it a little bit turn, because now we are going to work on the other side, and we are going to make one single crochet in each of these strands. This is the other side of the chain. So insert your hook into this loop and grab the yarn, pull it through and make a single crochet like this. Now make one single crochet in each of this loop until you reach at the end of this other side of row, like here. Okay, so after making one single crochet on each of this chain on the other side, now in total I have 42 single crochets around this, and now I am going to end this row by making a slip stitch on top of first single crochet like this. Now I am going to make 3 more rows of single crochet. So in each row I will make one chain, and I will insert the hook into this very first chain, as you can see, and make a single crochet. Now I am going to make one single crochet in each of these stitches. Okay, so in each row I am going to make 42 single crochet, and then I am going to make a slip stitch on top of very first single crochet, and I am going to make a total of 4 rows. And let me complete these 4 rows, and you can complete yours as well, and let's meet at the end of row 4. So here I have made 4 rows of single crochet, and now I am going to finish the 4th row by making a slip stitch on top of my first single crochet like this. So that's how we made our base for the pouch, and now I am going to flip it. As you can see, I just flipped it upside down because this is our right side and this is our wrong side, as you may call it. And now it's time that we insert our stitch here. For this purse I am going to use cross stitch. Cross stitch is a variation of double crochet, where you make double crochet in such form that it makes a cross for your design. The design is called cross stitch. Okay, so for that I am going to chain 2, and I am going to leave this first stitch and insert my hook into this second stitch over here and make a double crochet like this. We all know how we make double crochet. I have taught you in this my previous videos. And now what I am going to do, I am going to grab the yarn and go back like this and insert my hook into the stitch I just left and pull the yarn through and make a double crochet just like that. Okay, again I am going to grab the yarn, leave one stitch and insert the hook into this second stitch and grab the yarn and make a double crochet like this. And again I am going to go back, grab the yarn first, then go back, insert the hook into the stitch you just left, grab the yarn and make a double crochet like this. So in each stitch you are making double crochet, just with a little variation, so you can get this cross. Okay, so keep making double crochet, skip the one stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, and for the second stitch you go back and make a double crochet into the stitch you just left. Now I am going to complete my first row of camera. Technically it is 5th row, but I am calling my first row because this is the first row of this cross stitch design. So see you guys at the end of row number 5. Now here I have completed the 5th row, or we can call it the first row of our design. And now I am going to just make a slip stitch on top of our first double crochet to end this row. And you can see these little crosses are forming here. For each row I am going to start by making 2 chains. Do not consider these 2 chain a stitch, because it is just to give a height to our double crochet. And now I am going to skip this one and insert the hook into this second stitch and make a double crochet. Go back, insert the hook into the previous one and make a double crochet. So this way we are making a cross over cross. See, again insert the hook into the second stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through, and now make a double crochet. Go back and insert the hook into the previous stitch, pull and make a double crochet. So now I will make approximately 12 to 13 rows of cross stitch for my pouch, and I will do this off camera because it will take a lot of time. You can also do this off camera. You know how to make the rows, you know how to start. Just start by making 2 chains and then start the design and finish with a slip stitch on top of our first double crochet. Okay, so I will make 12 or 13 rows of this design, so to give my pouch a little bit height, and I will do this off camera and will meet you guys when I complete these rows. So here I have made a total of 12 rows. Let's count it again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So I made a total of 12 rows for the cross stitch, and then to give it a little bit neat look, I made one row of single crochet. For this I just at the end of row number 12 I started row number 13 with a chain, and then I made a single crochet into the same stitch, and then one single crochet in each of the stitches around, and then I made a slip stitch on top of first single crochet to finish this bag. And this is how it is looking right now. So 4 rows of single crochet, then 12 rows of the cross stitch, and then 1 row of single crochet. So in total I made 17 rows to complete this pouch. And now let's move forward to make the cord for this purse. And yeah, let's make the cord. So for the cord I need 2 strands. So since I have only one ball, if you have 2 balls then you don't need to do this, but what I am going to do is take a little bit of yarn out of this ball. So I took about this much out of it, and now we want to start it in the middle. Okay, so this is all one strand right now. I am not cutting anything, and I am just making a slip knot first of all. So for slip knot I am twisting the yarn and pulling the yarn through this twisted loop. Okay, so after making a slip knot, I have 2 strands right here. One is this loose strand and one is coming from this ball. In reality all of this is just one strand. Okay, so I made a slip stitch here, and now what I am going to take the strand which is downside and turn it like this, and now I made a loop for the single crochet, and now I am going to chain it like this. Again I am going to wrap the yarn like this and make a chain like this. Okay, so by doing this you will get your cord for the pouch. And let me show you what I am making. See, we have this V on each side, and this is how it is looking right now. So this will be our stitch, but how I am going to attach it with my purse, let me show you. First let me open this. This is again just one strand. Okay, so you take your purse and in the most corner stitch, see, this one is the corner stitch. I am going to insert my hook here and grab this yarn like this and make a chain. Okay, now I have one loop on the hook and 2 strands here. This one is coming from this pile, and I am going to wrap it like this and make a chain. Again I am going to wrap and make a chain. So you attached your yarn to your purse like this. Okay, and now keep making until you reach your desired length for this cord. Just wrap the yarn and make a chain. Now go ahead and complete your cord, and I will complete mine off camera, and I will meet you when I reach my desired length for the cord, and then I will show you how to attach it on the other side of our purse pouch, and then it is ready. So now I have completed the cord as long as I wanted it to be. You can make more long if you want. I think this is enough. This length is enough for this type of little pouch. And now what I am going to do is just insert my hook. So I will find the other corner like this. As you can see, this is the second corner, and I will insert my hook like this, and I will take both of these strands like this and pull through this, and then from this loop on my hook, now I will cut both strands and I will pull it like this, and my other end is secured. And now I will just weave in both of these strands like this. You go back and forth in each of the stitches, and once you feel it is secured, you can simply cut it. Now I will cut this end and this end, and now my crochet pouch for my phone or for any small items like lipstick or your pouch, your coin pouch, your credit card, anything you want, you can just keep inside and take out with you. So I hope you like this video, and if you do like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, and see you guys in our next project. Till then, take care.